Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set your account from public to private on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on this little profile icon here that we have in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our profile. Next, we're going to click the three stripes in the top right corner. And now we're going to select the third option that says settings and privacy. Now, in the first 5 options we have, we're going to select the second one, that's privacy. And as you can see, the first option we have here is private account. And we're just going to go on and tap on that and turn it on. So now our account is private, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!